Welcome food lovers. In today's video, we are going to make one of the most popular and beloved dish from Jamaica, rice and peas. It is a flavorful and hearty dish that's perfect for any occasion. Whether you are making it for a family or you are craving some Jamaican comfort food, this recipe is sure to impress you. Let's dive into the ingredients. And so for this, we have some thyme, we have some garlic, we have some scallion, we have about 2 inches of butter or a tablespoon of butter. We have 2 pepper here, Scotch bonnet, we have a yellow and we have a green, and we have some pimento berries here. And so my peas already cooked and my coconut already blend and strain. Okay, so this was pre-done. So here is my peas that's already cooked, about 3 cups of peas, and I have some rice here, regular Jamaican rice, nothing special, not basmati or all of those fancy, regular rice, Jamaican rice, mostly come from Ghana, and so I guess it's some Ghana rice we are cooking here, and I'll be putting in some salt to taste. Okay, so I'll go ahead here and add my peas that I already cooked to the pot. If you want to show you how I do cook my peas, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll show you how I do it. So I cook my peas with some salt and a little garlic, and here I'm going in with my coconut milk already juiced and was in the freezer, so I just thaw it out, and hence that's what I'm using. You can use the box milk if you want, or you can use the milk powder, the coconut milk powder, but I am using the real authentic Jamaican coconut juice, right? And so I'm putting in my seasoning, and I'm going to allow this to boil for about 15 minutes. Yes, man. So we want it to boil so all the spice and everything can burst, the flavor into the coconut juice and the Scotch bonnet pepper. If you want it spicy, you can burst one of the pepper. If not, let them stay old, because remember, it is scotchy, and if you say scotchy, we are talking about flavor and we are talking about heat, hot pepper. Okay, so I don't want them to burst in my rice and peas, hence I'm going to allow them to stay old. Okay, so we are going to cover now and allow to boil for 15 minutes. Here you go, guys. Checking in. Pot of bubble and thing. Yes, man. Everything cooking down nicely. Perfect. You understand? All the flavors are working together. I just want to use this opportunity to say welcome to all my subscribers. Welcome. Glad to have you back. And to all those that are watching for the very first time, what are you waiting on? You can subscribe to this channel for more Jamaican cooking, and also when you subscribe, please remember, turn on the notification bell. That's when I come, you will be first to get my video. And here it is, guys. I'm checking in for the last time to see if everything ready, and guys, everything is ready. So I am going in with my rice. So I've washed the rice. Guys, make sure you wash your rice properly. Remember, wash it until you are not seeing any white. You are just seeing the clear water running off, right? So that might take about 4 or 5 wash for it to fully wash. So we wash the most of the starch that we can get from it. We are going to wash it and we are going to stir it. Guys are taking out this thyme because it already served its purpose. I don't think anything left in that thyme, so I just take it out. And make sure you stir your pot well, guys. Make sure you taste your pot. Remember, always remember to taste your pot. Yes, guys, after 15 minutes, this is what my pot looks like. So if you notice, the water is going down, and my water is going to be more than if you are cooking the basmati rice or the other rice, because this rice takes a little longer to cook. So I will put in a little bit more water, right? And remember, we are steaming the rice, right? We are not cooking the rice. So you allow it to steam. I am taking out all those thyme and scallion that is on the top, and garlic. You can remove those, okay? And I am just going to stir a little to the side. If you notice the liquid, I just want the liquid to go down because the coconut milk is so rich with the peas, so it takes a little time to really go down. So hence here, I am just giving it a little stir and putting the top to the bottom and the bottom to the top, guys, for even cook, okay? So I'm just going to do this and cover it back, and then I will come back to fluff. This is not the fluffing stage. I'm just stirring the side mostly for the liquid, to flow evenly at the bottom. If you look at the top, guys, you can see the grain of the rice is not yet cooked. You can see the white grain, and when you finish, you're supposed to see any white. You see that? It's not yet cooked because the liquid's supposed to absorb totally in the rice, so you wouldn't see that white part. Guys, a reminder that the rice and peas, in order for the rice and peas to cook well, don't open the pot. Remember, it's the steam we use to cook our rice and peas. So here I am at this moment. Last part of it is fluffing the rice. Yes, guys, using a fork. Don't use spoon in your rice and peas. So here I am fluffing up my rice and peas, guys, and leave it to steam for about 5 minutes. After that, you can go ahead and turn off the stove and leave it there, okay? And there you have it, Jamaican rice and peas. That's easy to make and packed with flavor. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious Jamaican recipe. Until that time, happy cooking, blessings, and walk good.